Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful little flower. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and works up really quickly. Before we begin, you can choose any two colors of yarn that you like. For this tutorial, I'm using a 100% cotton yarn. This is a size 1 yarn, and according to the yarn label, the recommended hook size is 3 mm, so that's what I will be using today. You will also need a stitch marker and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, hold your hook the way you would hold a pencil. Then place the yarn over your finger, leaving a longer yarn tail than usual, since we will need it later to close the magic ring. To make a double magic ring, wrap the yarn around your finger twice, creating 2 loops. Insert your hook into the center of both loops from right to left. Pass the hook underneath both loops. Yarn over and pull it through the center. You should now have 1 loop on your hook. To secure the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. This creates a chain 1. Next, chain 2. Together with the chain you just made. These 3 chains count as your first double crochet. Place a stitch marker into the 3rd chain, so it's easier to find later when we join the round. Now we will work 11 more double crochets in the center of the magic ring. Let me show you exactly how to make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center of double magic ring. Make sure you are working around 2 loops. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops remaining on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's 1 double crochet complete. Continue working 10 more double crochets into the center of the magic ring. So, you will have a total of 12 double crochets in this round, counting the beginning chain 3 as the first double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into this magic ring. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Now we have completed a total of 12 double crochets. Give the yarn tail a gentle pull. One of the loops will start to shrink. Hold the side of that loop that's closest to the tail and pull it closed. This will tighten the remaining loop. Then put the yarn tail one last time to close the center. To finish this round, we will make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, the one where we placed a stitch marker at the beginning of the round. Insert your hook into the marked stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Then continue pulling that loop through the loop already on your hook. And that's a slip stitch. The center of our flower is now complete. Next, we will switch to a different color to make the flower petals. Take your second color of yarn. I'm using orange for the petals. Place the new yarn behind your work and hold the orange yarn tail together with the yellow yarn. Yarn over with the orange yarn and pull up a loop. Pull both yarn tails gently to secure the new color. Now chain 1. Next, we will make one single crochet in the same stitch. Insert your hook into the same stitch, laying both yarn along the top of your work. This will help hide the yarn and secure them as we go. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's one single crochet. Place a stitch marker into the single crochet so it's easier to identify the beginning of the round later. Now chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then make one single crochet in the same stitch. Insert your hook in the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Your first petal loop is now complete. Then cut the yellow yarn. To make the next petal, move to the next stitch. Work one single crochet, chain 9, then work another single crochet in the same stitch. This creates another petal. Repeat this pattern in every stitch around. Single crochet, chain 9, single crochet in the same stitch. Continue all the way around until you have completed the 12 petals in total. When you are finished, you should have 12 evenly spaced petal loops surrounding the flower center. To finish this round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And then remove the stitch marker. Now chain 1. Next, pull the loop up a little longer than usual and cut the yarn. And tighten it gently. Your flower is now complete. All that's left to do is weave in the remaining yarn tails. Take your time to secure them on the back of the flower, then trim off any excess yarn. You can use these flowers in many different ways. They can make great embellishments for bags, garments, and many other crochet projects. You can also experiment with different color combinations and yarn types to create your own unique look. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this tutorial a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!